Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide the menu bar on your Mac operating system. So as you can see, by default your menu bar is always visible, but for some reason, let's say you want to hide this menu bar by default. So how you can do it, let's see. So for that you need to open the system settings. You can open the system settings by clicking on the Apple logo here and then select the system settings option. It's going to open the system settings window. You can also open the system settings by clicking on the system settings icon on the dock. Now in the system settings window, just scroll down in the left hand side menu where you will see this section which says desktop and dock. So just click on this option, and then when you scroll down here you will see the menu bar option. Now under menu bar, this is the option which we want to change. So automatically hide and show the menu bar. By default, it's set to in full screen only. That means when you open an application, for example, I open this Safari browser, and when I maximize it, so I make it in the full screen, then only the menu bar will be hidden, right? So you can see when I use an application in full screen, then the menu bar is uh, hidden. Otherwise, the menu bar by default is visible, right? But for example, you want to hide it by default, then you can just change it to always. That means you can see the menu bar is hidden by default, and when you hover your mouse on top of your screen, this menu bar appears, and then you can use this menu bar normally. Once your mouse hover goes out of the menu bar, it's going to disappear again, right? So you can use it whenever it's needed, and then once you hover your mouse outside the menu bar, then it disappears. So this is how you can hide your menu bar automatically from your Mac operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.